Hello, hello, hello. So, it has been brought to my attention that I have not been doing right by my followers. I've not been posting enough encouragement and upbeat videos. So, I am going to take the time right now to do that. I want to remind you, yes, you, that you are enough. No. You're way more than enough. You are very much wanted, needed, appreciated, and loved. So put that pretty little smile back on your face and have an amazing day. And don't forget to be the reason someone else smiled today.